Dear student of class 10, today I will teach you exercise 9A arithmetic progression. In previous video, I taught you till 6th question. Now today question number 8. Which term of the AP 3, 10, 17 will be 84 more than 30, more than 13th term? Okay, which term we have to find? N. Which term is, let nth term is 84 more than 13th term. A equal to 3, D equal to 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So 13th term we will find 10 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T13 equal to A 3 and 13 minus 1 into D means 7. 3 plus 12 into 7. T13 equal to 3 plus 84, 12 7 84, 87. Okay, what is the question? Let nth term is 84 more than 13th term. So tnth term equal to T13 plus 84. 87 plus 84, it is A plus n minus 1 into D. Tnth term A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3 and we don't know which term. It is asking which term. So nth term we suppose. D 7. 1, it is 16, 17. Okay. Then 7n minus 7 equal to 171 minus 3 minus 7 equal to 171 minus 3. So 7n minus 7 equal to 168. 7n equal to 168 plus 7. 7n equal to 175. n equal to 175 upon 7. 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14, 7 5 जा, means 25th term. 25th term is 84 more than 13th term. Okay, and the fourth term of an AP is 11. The sum of fifth and seventh terms of the AP is 34. Find the common difference. First, fourth term is 11. Then let first term be A and common difference. Common difference B D. So first fourth term T4 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N means 4 minus 1 into D. Okay. T4 means 11 equal to A plus 3D, or we can write A plus 3D equal to 11. First equation. Now second condition. What is second condition? T5 plus T7 equal to 34. T5 means A plus 5 minus 1 into D plus A plus 7 minus 1 into D equal to 34. a plus 4d plus a plus 6d equal to 34. It is 2a plus 10d equal to 34. Take common 2a plus 5d equal to 34. A plus 5d equal to 34 upon 2, 2 17 is a plus 5d equal to 17. It is second equation. Solve equation first and second. A plus 3d equal to 11, a plus 5d equal to 17. Now by subtraction, okay, because same sign are there, is cancelled. This minus 2d equal to minus 6, okay. Then minus minus cancel. A equal to 6d 6 upon d equal to 6 upon 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now we have to find here common difference, okay. So this is the common difference, this is the answer. Which term of an AP 120, 116, 112 is the first negative term? Is the first negative term means Tn is less than 0. First a equal to 120 and d equal to 116 minus 120 equal to minus 4, means we have to find which term of the AP is its first negative term. Now which term we have to find, means we have to find n. So Tn is less than 0. Tn will find a plus n minus 1 into d is less than 0. A is 120 plus n we have to find. D is minus 4 is less than 0. Then n minus 1 to minus 4 equal to minus 120. Sorry, not equal to, less than. It will go that side. So minus n, it is minus 4, minus 4 and minus 1 into is less than my 120. Dear student, when we will cancel this minus minus, then it will be 4 and minus 1 is greater than 120. Okay, this sign will be changed when we will remove minus sign from both sides. Okay, then n minus 1 is greater than 120 upon 4. 4 3s are, means n minus 1 is greater than 30. N is greater than 30 plus 1. N is greater than 31. Means, dear student, greater than 31 means 32. 32nd term. Okay. Means n equal to 32nd term. Greater than 31 term is negative. So, first negative term is 32nd term. Okay. Now question number 19. Find 7th term from the end of the AP 7, 10, 13, 184. So, dear student, first Tnth term from end equal to L minus n minus 1 into D, where L is last term, D is common difference, nth term which we have to find. Okay. So 19 number 7, 10, 13 184, a equal to 7, d equal to 10 minus 7 equal to 3. So Tn we have to find last term. Tn equal to L minus 1, L minus n minus 1 into D. T 7th term, L 184 minus n 7 minus 1 into D3 184 minus 6 into 3, then T7 equal to 184 minus 18 equal to 166. So 7 term from last from end is equal to 166.